I hate LA. I've been here several times and I just do not get the hype. But there's been one important thing missing for me on every single trip I've done, and that is a bicycle. Come on, don't be shy. So I'm gonna see if 7 days of riding in LA is gonna change my perspective, or am I still gonna hate it? Day one, ride one. I'm here, we're in near Reseda or Encino or somewhere around there, riding with my friend Karen. What are we gonna be doing today?
Topanga Canyon, and then a coffee stop at Peddler's Fork.
I don't know what any of that means, but this is wild so far. It's crazy that I'm outside with short sleeves. I'm also like super tired, got in super late last night, but this is a great way to wake up. Whoa, that's steep. Oh no, in my lowest gear already. Oh no, it gets steeper. Oh my goodness. 430 watts, 5 minutes into the ride. Holy crap, this is insane. I gotta admit though, the feeling of being free and outside and not on a trainer is fantastic.
Yeah.
Karen's trying to drop me. Nice. Oh my God. This just doesn't feel real. I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't feel like I'm in my body doing this right now. Wow. Okay.
Next stop here.
Okay. Thank you. It's like a whole other planet now. Where are we? No way. Get out of here. Oh my beautiful. Wow. Oh man. That climb was brutal, but so worth it.
Yeah. That was one of the tamer ones around here.
Well, that's an ego hit right there.
Yeah, hey, if Charles took you out, he'd just try to rip your legs off on the first day.
Now what goes up must come down. Vámonos! Whoa! Oh my God, that's insane. Wow. That is everything I've ever wanted in a descent. Damn, that was awesome! No way. You see this already? This is completely changing my perception of LA, because I never got to experience any of those roads, and you wouldn't unless you knew about them.
Yeah.
Or on a bike. And now stuff like this, it's like a little oasis meant for people who like bikes. Wow, that is really nice. Provided bike locks at the spot. That is such a good idea. I've never really seen many canyon bikes in person. I'm excited for this. Oh, this little gravel thing. I've wanted to see this. Oh, that's cool. That's so funky. That is such a cool stop. I love that you get to actually try out canyon bikes, which you normally don't get to. That's a super cool option. And the whole vibe of the whole place, man. Restaurant, yoga, bakery, coffee shop, bike shop. LA, you showing off, you showing out. Maybe an hour-ish back to the car max. Fun times. That was awesome. Officially done with ride 1 of 7. I don't even know what to say really. That blew my mind. That was way cooler than I thought it would be in a million years riding through all this stuff. But let's see, it's day 1. Maybe that was just like, maybe Karen went and picked the absolute best of the best and we got lucky with weather and everything. So maybe the rest of the days won't be as nice, but that. I do have to be honest though. I have been to LA once at the end of a hiking trip and had the best tacos in my life. So it's not just bikes that may save LA. There's also the food. Man, like I'm blown away at how nice every person I've interacted with so far in LA is. But I'm gonna finish my last taco here, watch a little bit of Formula One, and then wake up really early for tomorrow's ride. See you then. Today's ride is an interesting one because it's just a regular every week group ride. But last year when Matthew Vanderpool was in town in LA, he actually came, did like a surprise visit with Canyon and Zwift to this ride, and somehow it got leaked and there was like hundreds of people who came and did it. So I saw that on Mitch and Adrian's Instagram pages and I thought, dude, I want to go see that ride. It has to be at least somewhat special if Matthew Vanderpool is in town and decides to go on this ride. Oh, and if you're wondering, yes, a double XL road bike can fit in the back of a little Nissan Kick. Not much extra room, but it fits. This is sick. Morning. I love the, oh, no way. I love your bike. So many people for 6:30 in the morning. This is wild. Well, look at this. I met Hamish. We're bike twins. I love it. He's giving me the rundown on this ride, telling me it's the best ride in LA. So I feel like I made a really good choice coming to this one. Already there's, I don't know, 50 people or something at 6:30 in the morning on a Wednesday. It's gotta be good. There'll be 100? 80 to 100 people. Whoa. Oh, there he is.
How's it going?
What's up, brother?
Good to see you.
Nice to meet you in
Nice
person.
to meet you too.
If you don't know, this is Mitch. He makes awesome YouTube videos also. He lives here in LA. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing, he's gonna put me through the paces. We're gonna do all of LA's steepest streets and make a video about that. But
Oh, we're doing all of them?
all of them.
We're cooked, man.
This is so fun. So many people here this early riding bikes. The vibe of everyone here, amazing. The cloud cover with the sun popping through, wild. Once this all burns off, then you get a view that's insane also. This is kind of a bucket list ride. This is awesome. If you've never done it, you definitely should. Made it. Wow, it still keeps going. Good God. Climb number 2. Feels a little easier. Still brutal though, but it's fun. I'm a little worried about a week full of this, but I'm jumping into the fire. It's fun though. Unlike anything I've ever done in Minnesota, we're already on a 10-minute climb and still have more to go. It's so different, so pretty, but the people are the highlight so far. Everyone's been freaking awesome, every person I've met. Made it! Top of the second climb. We're up here at the observatory. Thank you again, paced me up the hill. Appreciate you. Okay, I definitely wish, I thought the sun would have burned off the clouds by now. It hasn't, but even with that, you just know that it's cool being up here and the vibe is really cool. Everyone that I've met so far is awesome. It's been freaking amazing. Met up with a little extra credit crew. We're gonna go do some climb called Elysian in some park. Everyone looks so fit and able to climb so well. I'm scared. Vanderpool wasn't there today. It was super star-studded. We got Shreddy Pendergrass. I mean, Mitch, there was Outdoor Boys. But it's really fun getting to ride with these guys and like meet them as people and not just see them behind a video screen. They're all awesome. So if you haven't checked out Shreddy Pendergrass on YouTube or Mitch Boyer or Outdoor Bros, go check them out. I think that's climb done officially, all the climbs. So now it's coffee stop and then we're gonna ride back to Griffin. Oh, one more climb, okay. Yo, the climbing never stops here, but honestly, I feel pretty good. I'm pumped about the prep that I did in winter. I'm hurting, but I'm alive. Good morning. Wow. Bro. Whoa. tough parts about riding on these streets. It is bubbling, man. Dang. Oh, damn. I mean, wow doesn't even begin to describe it. I don't even know what to say. That was one of the best communities I've ever ridden with. That was one of the best rides I've ever done. Even with the fog, the scenery was amazing. But then, no one even let me buy my own coffee or treats. They just kept saying, no, you're new here. I got you, you're in my town, I got you. Which was so sweet. And yesterday, the people blew my mind. Today, the people blew my mind. The riding has also blown my mind. I'm surprised. LA, from a bike side, I'm surprised. Whoever says LA sucks for cycling, that's wrong. Even if we don't like LA as a city, cycling in LA, fantastic.
This truck gets back to getting air on it.
Yeah. Found this little Mediterranean restaurant with 4.9 stars. Ooh, and then you know it was good. Damn, that's beautiful. You know it was good because I ordered the chicken barbecue plate and he goes, all right, you want breast or thighs? I'm like, you're about to make it for me right now. That is the airiest hummus I've ever had in my life. It's not so dense, it's nice and whipped. But now I'm waiting for my friends to get back from doing some things so that we can go get dinner. And then it's chilling for the video tomorrow. Tomorrow, Mitch put together 5 different steep streets that I'm gonna go and try to survive in LA. They're gonna range from 5% all the way up to 30%. I'm gonna make a whole separate video just on that day. I'll give you some snippets in this video, but definitely go check that video out. It should be up already by the time you see this. I'm really looking forward to what that day is gonna entail and bring, and the fact that then I get to ride my bike again with some awesome people. Pero nos vemos la mañana. Yeah, you see, this is one thing now about LA I'm realizing, dude, the traffic, it's such a detractor for me because I'm going to film a video today with Mitch Boyer. It's 19 miles away and it's over an hour of just sitting in slow moving traffic. I could not do this every single day. But in other news, I'm really excited to film this video. Holy hell!
You got it.
I feel blood in my throat.
Yeah, you.
5 steep streets. Yeah, no tengo más. And again, we hit more traffic. Back home, man, on the bike, LA is phenomenal. Off the bike, the traffic, it's starting to give me anxiety. I have another friend, Divya, that I want to go see, and she lives 15 or 20 miles away from me. It shouldn't be that far. It's like, well, depending when I do it, it's an hour, 15-minute drive one way. I'm heading somewhere brand new to ride tomorrow to see a different part of LA. Let's see if that changes things. Buenos dias from beautiful Santa Monica. I was supposed to join the Pedal Mafia ride this morning. Traffic and some of my own poor time management made me late, but just late enough that I saw them fly by, so they're close. But instead of trying to catch up to them, they were booking it. I'm just doing the route in reverse, which, if you don't know, if you download a route, there's an option before you send it to your Wahoo to reverse it. It's just a button somewhere, and it saved me so many times for situations just like this. All right, let's go find them. Perfect day. Wow. Oh crap. Kind of beautiful. Oh, that's so fun. That was so cool. Well, trail ended, and it said no bikes. So, we're hiking. Good news, I found them. Nice. All right, let me slide in with these people. Go, baby, go, baby, go. officially over. That was really fun. But now there's extra credit to like a marina with all the fancy yachts and stuff. You best believe I want to go see that. One in Santa Monica, right? Jasmine just made a great point. Marinas are just parking lots for boats, but somehow it's prettier than a parking lot. I like that analogy. Anyways, ride is done. I'm gonna turn back now, see if I chat with anyone at Pedal Mafia or Blackheart Bikes is nearby, or maybe Canyon. I just want to chat with some people. My legs are loaded. Like my legs are, they're pretty toast. Tomorrow it's gonna kick my butt. But let's see what we do with a full day around LA. Hear this, listen to this. Dude, I could see why people like it here in LA. This is so different from Minnesota in the fact that there's like things happening here with a lot of brands. So all the brands that you hear about in cycling or wear, or it's even cycling adjacent things, they have a physical presence here like MAP. Yeah, I've heard of MAP, I've seen them a lot, but I've never actually gotten to see them in person. And now there's this whole friggin' building that I can go check out the stuff in. That's sick. Whoa. My neighbor has told me that this is the best sandwich in the world. Bay City's Italian Deli Bakery. He told me get the godmother. My number now. Let's see. This trip so far is breaking like every rule I had for LA. I completely hated it before. I thought I would never, ever, ever want to be back here. But now, damn, it's been fun. And the thing is, it's like, it's not just a one-day ride. I'm also getting to do this. It's almost like a mini training camp. I've never gotten to experience riding my bike in a beautiful place with awesome people day after day after day. And it's making me re-fall in love with biking. It's making me I'm not falling in love with LA yet, but it's making me not hate LA. I'm getting to try cool foods. I'm staying with amazing people who also love bikes. Like that, there's 6 bikes right now in this house, including mine. So it's like a prime time to love bikes. And I think LA in general is benefiting from that. Buenos dias. Day 5, ride 5. Today's gonna be the one that hurts the most. I'm riding with Charles. He is an animal at suffering, so I'm gonna try to keep up with him. It's gonna be just a long day exploring canyons and roads and beautiful parts of LA, but it's gonna be long, hard, with a lot of climbing. Nice part about today is we left from the house, so no need to sit in traffic. Surprisingly, after some of the most consistent, difficult riding I've done in a long time, my body doesn't feel that bad. Good job, body. Good job. Morning. Oh my God. A little bit more. Okay, thank you. Dude. Whoa, unreal, Charles. Before we tackle the big climb, we're stopping for a little cookie break. Charles for some coffee, but I don't drink coffee. Still love a good break though. 18 miles in, still feeling good. Whoa, those are huge. Fernwood climb. Here we go. And so the climb begins. 200 feet of climbing, 400 feet of climbing. Oh damn, this is steep. 600 feet, 800 feet down, 1,000 feet down, 1,200 feet down. Best part about this stuff is earning those views. Damn, the feeling of accomplishment is unmatched. Almost there to the top. Mi gente, estoy contento de decirle que we made it to the top. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, oh, not yet. Oh, damn. Oh, wow, that's a bummer. $1,800 feet and climbing. Maybe not climbing, maybe this is the top. 1,800 foot climb, holy hell. There's Iron Man's house. It just doesn't make sense what I'm looking at. Ocean right there, these giant rock formations. house is tucked into the side of just sheer cliffs. This is crazy, and there's still so much more up there. It's hard to get up here, not impossible, and totally worth it. Wow, Charles. Oh my goodness, that's stunning. It's nice, like my dad would say. Wow. Oh man, but that feeling is terrifying. Terrifying. You know I'm scared of heights. It's just triggering that fear. All right, Charles went his way. He wants to keep riding another few hours. I don't want to hate my life, so I'm gonna go grab some lunch and then finish the ride. I'm like 10 miles from home, but I was just hungry. So, hot chicken and waffles it is. That was amazing. I'm at the point now where I don't think anything can satiate me. That was a lot of food, and my stomach doesn't feel like I ate anything right now. But 10-mile ride back home, and then we can chill. My legs are feeling it for sure. 10 miles into a headwind at the end of a ride. Not my favorite. But I think I'm almost home. Ooh, pretty bike. Made it back. Oh, that was perfectly difficult. Very, very hard, but I don't hate my life right now. Okay, remember I told you how this feels like training camp and it's really fun seeing all the bikes everywhere and stuff? I just found something that they have that is gonna make it feel even more like a training camp. Oh, ooh.
So, okay, if you would just want your calves, for instance. Okay, so just see what it feels like, okay?
Whoa. I feel so pro.
Yeah.
Day 6, taking a day off the bike. I met up with my friend Divya. It's been like 10 years since we've seen each other. And she lives in LA now, so that's super fun. We met up. She brought us some Calic bagels, which were actually pretty good. She was hyping them up all weekend, and they're actually really good. And I just made a new friend, Troy, on this hike here, what, Caballero or something, but look.
Caballero Canyon Trail.
I am so happy that we took a day off the bike. This is freaking stunning. Ooh. Rattlesnake? Yeah. Okay. I almost stepped on a rattlesnake. Holy hell. Dude, I was just thinking, like, that's a weird looking stick. Wait. Okay, snake's not rattling. We should be good to go. I almost just stepped on a rattlesnake. Whoa. The hike was amazing. That was so beautiful, so needed. My legs actually felt fantastic. Now we're here getting some lunch, some dinner at Great White. Bringing Troy along and Divya. This is so fun. This is like a perfect rest day. Absolutely perfect. Would you do bolognese or a burger? I'm debating between those two. Day 7, ride number 6 out in LA, and the last ride of the week that I've been here. Today I get to ride with Karen again.
Hey.
We're doing 7-minute hill, which is something Phil Guyman does, and then going out to somewhere near Malibu, it sounds like, or something.
Yeah, Lake Malibu.
Lake Malibu, and then Rockstar climb. That sounds fun. Is that because there's rock stars that live on the climb?
No, Rock Store.
Oh, Rock Store. Body surprisingly feels okay. I definitely don't have the top end power that I started the week off with, but I'm not sore. And I'm still enjoying riding my bike, so I consider that a win. So there's 7-minute hill, but luckily we're going down it and we don't have to go up it. Great. Absolutely stunning though. Listen, no matter what I say at the end of this video, cycling here, beautiful. It is one of the best places I've ever been to ride a bike. I've never been out to Europe and experienced all that, but damn, it's beautiful, hard, with lots of good places to stop and eat and hang out, and lots of other people biking. It's hard to beat. Man, just I don't want to imagine how much it costs to live on that lake, but it's so pretty to ride by it. And then the mountains and the sea. Oh, Karen, I like the routes that you make.
Okay.
It's very pretty. I don't know how else to say it. It's just, you gotta come. And there goes Karen. She's so strong on the climbs, man. You know, as brutal as these climbs are and how little of a climber I've been in the past, I'm surprised at how much I'm enjoying climbing. I've done a lot of climbing on this trip and my body's responding well. I'm kind of enjoying the feeling of like getting a good gear and just spin up and push. Then you get the descent on the way down. I've never done this before. I'm surprised how much I'm enjoying it. G-Wagon. There's so much money around here. What do all y'all do who live here in these fancy big houses? You can't all be rock stars and actors and pro athletes. You know, if you're interested in riding the routes that I've done on this trip, every single day will be listed down below in the description. So if you come to LA, you can then just copy it and I'll have it listed by day and then some of the highlights of the day. So you'll be able to just redo it if you're here and visiting. Oh no, it was supposed to be cookies. Being here makes me think of my wife. She loves this type of architecture and these plants. So I just wish she were here, being able to ride with me and experience all this. Cute. What do you think this was back in the day? Because this looks old. A mining something? Next up, rock store climb. The big one of the day. Looking for it. It doesn't stop on the map. It just keeps, you probably can't see too well, but it just keeps going up and up and you can't see the end of it. Very concerning. Wow, I love being here. Love it. Damn. I think it's cool too. Did it! I need new brake pads. Damn, that was awesome. A little. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm kind of glad that other spot was closed because now this is, yes, the sweet platter is what we're trying right now.
Was this worth
Cheers.
the climb? Cheers.
Cheers, so worth the climb. And I like that we did it after the climb, so now it's
Yeah.
like we don't have to climb after this as steep. Yo, it just, so pretty. And I keep getting told that I came to LA at the perfect time because of all the rain that they had recently. Everything is in bloom. So I just feel super blessed that I'm here at this time. All right, we got one last big climb, Crummer Canyon. Suppose it's really pretty. We might see some coyotes and some goats, maybe. Sheep. Wow, a whole bunch of them. All day. I love seeing animals. Oh, that's so cool. There's so many. They're all huddled down there. Oh, that's so cool. Yes, climb worth it. Got to see some animals. Nice. Yeah. What a way to end the trip here in Los Angeles. This Man, Karen, great route today. Crummer Canyon climb.
Yeah.
Totally worth it. Not that hard. Views are stunning, no cars. And now we get a fun descent back. My God, this is beautiful. Look at all the mountains you can see in the background. Just as far as you could see, there's mountains. Wow. I'm just gonna try to soak this in for a little bit. Ah, the best part. And that officially wraps up my last ride in LA. I'm blown away. I did not expect all of that out of this trip. Let me get home, find something good to eat, and then tell you my final thoughts. LA, my final thoughts on it. The traffic is horrendous. Absolutely horrible. And listen, other major cities, I know they have traffic, but like New York City, for example, has great public transportation, so you don't need a car to get around. Everywhere I went to in LA, you needed a car to get around, but the traffic was horrendous. So it was just the worst of both worlds. But then we start talking about the riding. Oh my God, the riding. World class. Every video I've seen about Girona and Mallorca and all these cool other European cities, LA was just like it, but I didn't need to fly across the ocean in order to get that. But you know what surprised me most about LA? The people. Everywhere I went, everyone from Felix talking to me in the taco line to the person who helped me check out at Trader Joe's to every single person I got to ride with, everyone was super nice, super welcoming, super generous, and by far the most impressive part about LA. So do I hate LA? No. Am I going to be back? You better believe it. Let me know what you think about LA down below, and if there's another city you think I should go visit, let me know that as well. Hasta la próxima, mi gente, nos vemos.